Do you have an iPhone that's heating up in your hand? If so, you are not alone. There are a lot of things that can heat up your phone without you even knowing about it. So basically I will tell you what are those things, and I will give you few simple steps that will return your phone temperature to normal. So let's learn about those things that heats up your phone and how to return them back to normal. So why is your iPhone overheating? Basically, after new updates, the first day of update, your iPhone organizes a lot of files, and that makes your phone heat up and use a lot of more power, memory, and battery than in a normal situations. Then apps that consume a lot of resources like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So basically, any bigger application can cause overheating when you're using it for a longer period of time. So even when you are in call, for example, for longer time, it will make your phone overheat more. Now, if you play some games, any games that's newer or heavy on graphics and memory, will make your device heat a lot of faster and more than in normal terms. Now, fast charging. If you're using a fast charger, especially when you're wireless charging your phone, it will consume more power and give a lot of more power to your phone, and basically that will make your phone overheat more. Also, when you're using your phone while charging, it consumes more power in the same time when it's charging your phone. So basically, it raises the temperature of the phone a lot of more. Now, the weather itself, basically, if outside is very hot and in your room where you're using your phone is hot, your IS will become even more hot than in normal use. So, when does the heat become dangerous? Basically, if brightness lowers itself without you even doing anything, so basically going up and down. Now, if device and apps start closing randomly, if your charging becomes very slow, and when you get a temperature warning about device overheating, that is most dangerous thing before device completely turning off. Now, what are the solutions for this? So basically, first thing you can do is opening settings, going to general, scroll down and find background app refresh. Now you just want to turn everything off. You can do it manually. You can just click on here and just click on off button. Now we can go back. Now scroll down and find privacy and security. Here you want to click on location services. Scroll down again and find system services. Here you will have to turn off two options and settings. First one is networking and wireless. So basically you want to turn this off. Now go to significant locations down there. You will scroll a bit, click on it, and here you just need to turn off this setting too. Now what you can do is opening your control center and enabling airplane mode. Basically this will technically reset your phone from doing any task. So it will stop sending signals, it will turn off everything that consumes power and everything, so it will just put your device to rest. Now the last thing you can do is also putting your device to rest physically. So basically not touching it, not using it. You can leave it on some colder place where there is no sun and everything. So that's few tips that you can use, and see you in the next